What if your mind was like a computer and every negative thought, every toxic relationship, हर वो बुरी याद? Have you ever felt just like computer gets slow with too many junk files? मोबाइल स्लो हो जाता है जब उसके अंदर बहुत सारा डेटा आ जाता है। वैसे ही लाइफ में भी टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप्स, बैड एक्सपीरियंसेस, पास्ट में की हुई गलतियाँ हमें ज़िंदगी में स्लो कर देती हैं और वो हमारी बैड फाइल्स हैं, वो हमें ज़िंदगी में ग्रो नहीं करने देती। हम अपना एक सेल्फ बिलीफ बना लेते हैं दैट आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ, आई एम नॉट लकी इनफ, बट ऑल दैट इज़ होल्डिंग अस बैक। कुछ ऐसे लोग होते हैं हमारी लाइफ में जो हमें पता है हमारे लिए सही नहीं है, टॉक्सिक है, बट हम उनको फिर भी होल्ड करके रखते हैं। दे पुल अस डाउन, दे डोंट पुश अस और हेल्प अस इन ग्रोइंग इन लाइफ। होल्डिंग ऑन टू मिस्टेक्स इज लाइक कीपिंग बैड फाइल्स विद यू. Let them go. When you hold a lot of bad files in your life, you will always feel stuck. You will always feel drained. You will have negative energy around you. Your relationships will not be as good as they should be. So the best part of doing this is just let them go. Keeping bad files and moving on in life is like opening a lot of data on your computer and working. What it does is just slows you down. 3 simple ways how you can delete your bad files. Number 1, understand that you don't need toxic people in your life. अगर आपकी लाइफ में कोई भी ऐसा रिलेशनशिप है जो टॉक्सिक है, be it your friend, your girlfriend, sorry guys, but don't be there. You need to cut toxic people who don't give you good energy, who don't push you to do something or achieve something in life. Anybody who pulls you down is not required. Stop negative self-talk. हम ना अपने आप को ही बोलते रहते हैं कि यार मैं ये नहीं कर सकता, या मैं इस चीज़ के लिए नहीं बना, मेरा वो काम नहीं है. For example, I see a lot of people coming down and applying for jobs and always go and say that I can't do sales. Everybody can do everything. You have to say that I can do it. Shift your mindset from saying I can't do it to I can do it and see what magic happens. Number 3 is that you need to understand that you have done mistakes in past. Mistakes are only to learn, not to hold them. Don't hold your mistakes with yourself. सीखो उससे, आगे बढ़ो. पकड़ के मत रखो because गलती कर दी, हो गई गलती. सीख लिया, एग्री कर लिया, एडमिट कर लिया, मूव ऑन. Once you have deleted the bad files, it's time to fill your brain with good files. Good files कैसे आएंगी? So सबसे पहले तो bad files नहीं होंगी, तभी वो space बनेगा for good files. You surround yourself with people who support you, who motivate you. Get into relationships that give you a lot of happiness, smile. You just feel good being around those people. That is something which is so important. Focus on your growth and things that will help you grow. Create some positive habits like affirmations, manifesting, reading, exercise, meditation. All these things will give you so much good energy that there will be no space for any bad energy. Apart from that, जैसे वास्तु में भी आपने सुना होगा, the biggest thing that they say is declutter your house. Likewise, declutter your brain, declutter your computer, because किसी भी चीज़ के अंदर अगर clutter होगा तो negative energy आएगी, bad files आएंगी. So from today onwards, hit the delete button, delete all bad files from your life, rewire your brain for a positive new you, and trust me, it will be a game changer. If you like this video, my humble request, please share it with someone who will like it. Subscribe to the channel. Every subscribe that you do really helps me and motivates me to create more such content. Until then, I am Sumit. See you in the next video.